Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's look, I'm just doing this really soft wing liner with a pop of lavender just underneath the eyes for a little bit of colour and softness. So if you're interested, then please keep on watching. So I'm taking the Milk Hydro Grip Primer to begin with as a primer. Thank you to everyone in my last video who said my skin was looking much better. I think you've all jinxed me now because I now have a spot. But no, I think it's actually because it's the time of month, so luckily it's just the one, so I'm very happy with that. But I'm taking the Hynt Beauty Concealer as foundation and concealer today, so I finally picked it up again and I'm so glad I did because I really do enjoy using this as a foundation and concealer. So I'm just using my sponge to apply that. I do go ahead and just set it ever so slightly in the more T-zone area. Then for that little bit of glow, I'm taking the Ilia Serum highlighter in Nova. I'm just using my fingers at first to apply it, just to warm it up onto the skin, and then I will go in with my sponge just to make sure it is thoroughly blended. Okay, and then finally going in with the Honest Beauty Cream Blusher in Cheeky Peach? Peachy Keen. Yeah, using my sponge again and just blending that onto the skin just to create a nice peachy glow or peachy flush to the cheeks. Coral Peach, that's what it's called, Coral Peach. Then I'm just going to go ahead and fill in my brows as always. And then I do go ahead and just prep and prime the eyes ready for eyeshadow. Okay, so first of all I'm going to take my Sculpt and Glow Contour Kit from Lolo. I'm using the warm side just to buff into the crease, just to create a little bit of definition there. So I'm actually taking this on a Lolo tapered blending brush and just focusing right onto the crease and just blending it out and smoking it out slightly. Then I go into the shimmer portion, just taking a little bit and just popping this a little wash over the lids. Okay, then I'm going to jump into the Carnival palette. I'm taking the black shade called Lights Out. I'm going to take it on an angled brush and I'm actually going to create a small winged liner with this. I think I've mentioned before, powder or eyeshadow is my favourite way of creating winged eyeshadow looks. I just think it looks a little bit softer. And I also find it quite much easier to apply on the eyes as well. So yeah, just creating a little wing liner, nothing too dramatic or big. Okay, and then I'm going to go in with the shade Orchid, which is beautiful kind of lavender purple shade, nice and shimmery, and just adding that to the lower lash line just for a little pop of colour, but nothing too intense, and keeping it quite soft. It's also going to brighten under the eyes and create almost like illusion of slightly bigger eyes as well. And then to finish off the eyes, going in with the Ilia Limitless mascara, and I'm going to coat the upper and lower lashes with this. And then to finish off with is lips. So I actually did dip into the blusher again and just did a little tap onto the lips, and then I topped off with the Lolo lip gloss in Whisper, and it created this really beautiful kind of light peachy nude shade, which I thought was really pretty and complemented the lavender really well on the eyes. And then that completes this look. So something quite quick, soft, super pretty, I think. So I really do hope you all enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. Leave any requests for future videos down below, and I'll see you in my next video. Oh, and it's my birthday today, PS.